Welcome to Pacific Staffing. In this video, we'll learn to log into our timesheet portal, navigate between our placements, submit timesheets for payroll, and resubmit rejected timesheets. When you accept your first placement, you'll receive login credentials for our online timesheet system. Make sure to check your spam mail if you don't see the email. Your username will be your email address on file with Pacific Staffing. You can reach the timesheet portal via the link in the email or on our website at the top. If you visit our website by mobile phone, you can access the portal with our drop-down menu. Once logged in, you'll see your name at the top, your active placements, an option to change the language to your preference, and an option to change the password. You'll also see the Timesheet section and Documents section. The Documents section is used for your initial onboarding with Pacific Staffing, so you'll remain on Timesheets for time entry. To create a timesheet, make sure you're on the right placement. Let's report time for my assignment as a warehouse operator. Select the week you're reporting hours for. We have 3 options. Create a blank timesheet where you can put your hours in from scratch. Copy the previous week's timesheet. This is helpful and saves you time if you worked the exact same hours the week before. And lastly, you can report no hours if you did not work this week. This is an important action because it will notify our payroll department to expect no hours, and we won't email and call you for a timesheet we think is missing. For this placement, I am going to start with a blank timesheet. Enter your start time and end time with the appropriate AM or PM. The system will ask you to clarify if you leave that detail out. Next, report your unpaid lunch time in any combination of hours and minutes. After entering a line, the system will update your hours for the day and the week. It takes just a few moments to update. Each week, you'll have access to your timesheet on Monday, so you can enter your hours for that day. Simply enter the hours, wait for the hours total to update, and log out. The system will save your time for the day, and you'll see your entered hours when you log back in. Entering your time daily is best practice. When you log back in, navigate to the correct placement. You'll see your timesheet just the way you left it. Once you're done with your work week, all you have to do is press Submit. Your manager will receive an email letting them know your timesheet is ready to be reviewed for approval. If you need to edit your timesheet, you can unsubmit your timesheet to make edits. However, you can only unsubmit if your manager has not yet approved the timesheet, so make sure you double-check your entries before hitting Submit. Once a manager approves a timesheet, you will no longer have access to edit the timesheet. If your manager rejects your timesheet, you'll receive an email notifying you of the rejection. Your timesheet will become unsubmitted, and you'll have the opportunity to edit and resubmit your timesheet. When you navigate to the rejected timesheet, you'll see a note at the bottom. The note will contain a reason for the rejected timesheet. It looks like we missed a lunch period. Let's resubmit with the added lunch period. When a manager approves your timesheet will be sent directly to Pacific Staffing for payroll processing. If you have other active placements for that week, navigate to those timesheets and fill them out as well. Once you've finished, you're good to go, and our team has the green light to process payroll. Looking back, you've seen how to log into our timesheet portal, navigate between placements, submit timesheets for payroll, and resubmit rejected timesheets. Thank you for choosing Pacific Staffing, and we're excited for your new career.